Hello students, today I am going to teach your next chapter, that is the power of love, and that is unit number 9. So what is love? Love is a selfless feeling. It gives us happiness. So where there is love, there is happiness. All the religions in this world teach us to love. The moment we nurture love in our hearts, life becomes a different experience. So in short, love gives us happiness. And there are some sentences of real love. So what is love? Love is always selfless, not selfish. Love is boundless, not limited. Love makes everybody happy. Love means sharing its habit. Love is helpful. With love, we can help all, not envious. Love is pure and not corrupted. Love is joy, not sorrow. Love takes no revenge. Love is true and not false. Love is beauty of life. Love is forgiveness, and at the end, love is all about the happiness. So these are some sentences about love. So love is selfless. Love is helpful. Love is pure. Forgiveness, happiness. So here is a story related to this, the power of love. The name of the story is Love Makes a Difference. So with love, we can change the behavior of people. So here is a story of a teacher and their students. Once there was a great Zen teacher, Benjai, and which had many pupils. He taught them the importance of values about love, including truthfulness. One day what happened? One of the students that was caught by stealing by his fellow students, and they reported them to the teacher. But the master took no action about that boy. So a few days later, what happened? The same boy was again caught for stealing, and again Benjai did nothing. This made other students angry, and they submitted a complaint to the master to dismiss the students which stolen the things. They threatened to leave the institution if the boy was allowed to stay. Now there was a meeting. The teacher called a meeting of the students. When they had assembled, he said to them, "You are good boys and you know about the right and wrong things. But what about this boy? If you leave this school, you will have no trouble in your life. But what about this boy which doesn't know about right or wrong, and who doesn't know even the difference between right and wrong? So who will teach him what is right and what is wrong? No, I can't ask him to go even if it means losing all of you." In the end, what happens? Tears ran down the cheeks of the boy caught for stealing, and he fell on the feet of his master seeking forgiveness. And he never stole again the things, and in later life become famous for his truthfulness. The master proved that love has more power to unite this world than an atomic bomb to destroy it. So love can change everything, every people. So here are some questions, activity time. That love is happiness, explain. So explain all these questions, and there are true false also. So this is all about your chapter, the power of love. Thank you.